It's a 2016 Kia Sedona. Safety is job one, but this minivan is also intuitive, comfortable, and powerful. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Refrigerated box located in the glove box. Front heated leather bucket seats. Streaming audio. Rear parking sensors. AM/FM satellite radio. Doors and push-button start proximity key. Dual zone climate control. V6 engine. Hands-free liftgate. Auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver declares the Sedona has everything a minivan must. A solid drivetrain, enough electronic gadgetry to narcotize the kids on trips, side windows that roll down, lots of cup holders, and standard airbags in front and all along the sides. The drivetrain is refined and powerful, the chassis is well sorted, and there's plenty of room for plenty of stuff. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.